Seamless layers. How do you build a hollow sphere from an advanced alloy with, no seams? This was one of the biggest mysteries, and MIT's imaging has only deepened it. Their non-destructive analysis confirmed the sphere is made of 3 distinct concentric metallic layers. According to Dr. John H. Perepezko, a world-renowned metallurgist from the University of Wisconsin-Madison who reviewed the data, the micro-CT scans showed the layers are perfectly bonded at the molecular level. There are no welds, no joints, and no signs of conventional fabrication. The metal flows seamlessly from one layer to the next, each with a slightly different density, indicating a highly controlled manufacturing process. Dr. Perepezko stated in the 2025 release that processes like powder metallurgy with hot isostatic pressing or chemical vapor deposition are the only modern analogs. Even with our technology, achieving this uniformity without introducing stress fractures or weaknesses would be an immense challenge. This discovery single-handedly dismantles any theory of primitive origins and honestly points toward a profound understanding of material science.